हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एंड जिसने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब ना किया हो तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब द यूट्यूब चैनल एंड लाइक द वीडियो and after watching the video if you have any query then comment in comment box. And today our video topic is cyber security in manufacture, and in this video I will discuss all week quiz solution of this course, and this course is a part of digital manufacturing and design technology specialization. Now I will discuss quiz answer of this course. Go to the course part. एंड जैसा कि आप यहाँ पर देख रहे हो कि मेरा कोर्स कंप्लीट हो चुका है. नाउ आई विल डिस्कस वीक 1 क्विज आंसर ऑफ दिस कोर्स. गो टू द वीक 1 एंड स्टार्ट द क्विज. एंड here क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट आंसर इज फॉल्स. सेकंड आंसर इज इंटीग्रिटी. मैं थोड़ा जूम कर देता हूँ ताकि आपको क्लियर दिखाई दे. इंटीग्रिटी. थर्ड आंसर इज रिस्क मैनेजमेंट. ये मेरा गलत हो गया था. एंड इफ यू नो दिस आंसर देन कमेंट इन कमेंट बॉक्स, and this is also helpful for other students. Question number fourth answer is true. Fifth answer is true. Sixth answer also true. And the seventh answer is information security management system, and this is also wrong. And now go to the week 2 quiz solution of this course. And this is the week 2 quiz solution of cyber security in manufacturing. Go to the quiz part. And here question number first answer is all are correct. Network virtualization, desktop virtualization and application virtualization. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 आंसर इज, मैं जूम कर देता हूँ ताकि आपको क्लियर दिखाई दे, interoperability. क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड आंसर इज ह्यूमन मशीन्स इंटरेक्शन. क्वेश्चन नंबर फोर्थ आंसर इज ट्रू. फिफ्थ आंसर इज फॉल्स. सिक्स्थ आंसर इज ट्रू. सेवंथ आंसर इज प्लानिंग एंड रिक्वायरमेंट्स. एट्थ आंसर इज malware. नाइन्थ आंसर इज false. False answer. And the last 10th. And if you know this answer then comment in comment box. This is the week 3 quiz solution of cyber security in manufacturing. Start the quiz. And here question number first answer is, and this is the right answer, B. This is the right answer of first question, B, C, A, D. Question number 2 answer is true. Third answer is don't know. Fourth is true. Fifth answer is OS updates. Sixth answer is false. Seventh answer also false. And the eighth question answer is cloud computing. And the ninth answer is false. And the last question number 10 and the answer is insider at task. Now this is the week for cyber security in manufacturing quiz solution. Week 4 quiz solution of this course. Go to the view feedback and start the quiz. And the question number 2 answer is false. Third answer is wrong. Question number 4 answer is true. Fifth answer is client network level and storage level. Question number 6 answer is false. And the question number 7 answer is D. 8th answer is false. Question number 9 answer is C, 341652. And the last question number 10th and the answer is cyber forensic. And guys, if this video helped you then subscribe the YouTube channel and like the video.